Okay, here we are in downtown, historic and very cute, High Springs, Florida. The architecture is from the mid-1900s, and the buildings are all a little bit run down. Very cute little town, historic, and we've got a lot of character. Here's the Lazy Gator t-shirt shop on the right. Back that way is Ace Hardware and a True Value right across the street from each other. You don't see both of those in the same block very often. Ace Hardware over there and True Value right over there. And then there's a nice little antique shop over there on the opposite corner from where I'm standing. Right over there is an antique shop. So we're gonna go for a little walk. There's a bike store right across the street and a clothing store. Looks like women's bathing suits and clothing, martial arts place right next to that. You can learn Chow Kwang Do, martial arts. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little walk on the shady side, and then we're gonna try and cross and come back on the sunny side. And looks like semi-antiques in the windows and some old vintage clothing. The mantle. All these shops are closed early in the morning. On a Tuesday, it's only about 8 o'clock in the morning. Here's some Main Street retail suites coming soon in this area. Hopefully they'll do a little renovation to that area. Jason's Jewelry has beautiful amethyst quartz and clear quartz in the window. There's a law office over here on the right. Please ring the bell for chairs. Children's Ministry. Oh, they have an opera house. Look at that. Right here in downtown High Springs, they have an opera house, which is a banquet and conference facility. Looks like an old theater of some kind, perhaps. And there's a nice restaurant. And a lot of truck traffic this morning. A lot of truck traffic today. There's a Jerry's Barber Shop right on the opposite corner. There's Lovely Nails. Over there you can get your nails done. And then over here is El Paso, El Patio. Wow, very noisy truck traffic today. Alright, let's keep going down the street. See what else is down here on the corner. Here's a cool little cafe, patio cafe restaurant, the Boathouse, with lots of tables and lots of umbrellas. And on the opposite corner is Bambi's Cafe, also outdoor seating, right on the busy intersection. Not sure if you want to eat there and have a conversation with anybody with all this noise. Right at this busy intersection. Probably wouldn't be able to have much of a conversation there. And then the same with the opposite corner is looks like the Stakeout, little steak shack with picnic tables outside. Beyond that is a few more shops on Main Street, and then a quilting store on the opposite side, and a few more shops down that way. All right, so that's it of this walking tour of High Springs, Florida. Cute little frog.